I'm Jennifer Goodman. I'm the Director of Human Resources. I have been with the county for 28 years.
My name is Rachel Novetsky. I'm the Assistant Director of Human Resources with San Joaquin County.
American Fidelity is very dependable, and for me as an HR leader, it is really important. If it's one less thing that I have to worry about, then that's a valued partner for me. So I always know I can depend on American Fidelity.
American Fidelity has been a wonderful partner. They have made themselves really available, not only to our benefits team, but also to our employees themselves by coming out to our multiple locations that we have and actually visiting with our employees.
We had kind of a really outdated, very manual Flex 125 program. And when American Fidelity came in, they were able to really help us streamline. And it's been just very well received by our county family.
Anytime American Fidelity is on site to meet with employees, they always take the time to make sure that they answer any of the questions and really take that time to go through each thing and what it means. And it very much is a collaborative relationship, which I think the employees really appreciate.
American Fidelity is always asking, how can we help you? How can we support you?
The customer service is so huge, and the fact that we do have some positive experiences, that is something that I think speaks volumes in the service that you're providing, and there can be a lot of trust in that service.
As an HR leader, I always am looking for things that I know are going to be kind of foolproof. I don't have to worry too much about. So I would say somebody who's considering changing their vendor to American Fidelity, I would encourage them to do it, and they'll know that they'll get great service and the employees will have a great experience.